Welcome back to the Limpier Cleaning Services channel. Today, we're tackling a common cleaning challenge that many of us face, making our shower shine. If you're tired of dealing with soap scum, water spots, and grime in your bathroom, you're in the right place. Join me as we explore simple steps to banish bathroom grime and make your shower sparkle like new. So, grab your cleaning supplies and let's get started. You'll need a spray bottle filled with equal parts water and white vinegar, a scrub brush or sponge, baking soda, and a microfiber cloth. Start by spraying the surfaces of your shower with the water and vinegar solution. Be sure to coat the walls, floor, and any other areas with visible grime. Allow the solution to soak for a few minutes to loosen dirt and soap scum before moving on to the next step. Next, grab your scrub brush or sponge and begin scrubbing away grime from the surfaces of your shower. Focus on areas with visible buildup, such as around the shower head, along the grout lines, and on the shower doors. For stubborn stains, sprinkle baking soda onto your scrub brush and scrub in a circular motion to lift the grime. Once you've scrubbed all the surfaces of your shower, it's time to rinse away the cleaning solution. Use your shower head or a bucket of water to thoroughly rinse the walls, floor, and any other areas you've cleaned. If you notice any remaining grime, repeat the scrubbing process until your shower is sparkling clean. After rinsing, use a microfiber cloth to dry the surfaces of your shower and bring out their natural shine. Be sure to dry the walls, floor, and any glass surfaces to prevent water spots and streaks from forming. Once everything is dry, step back and admire your sparkling clean shower. And there you have it, simple steps to banish bathroom grime and make your shower shine like new. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy cleaning. Don't forget to subscribe for more cleaning tips and tricks from Limpier Cleaning Services. Bye!